Ready to access your Facebook account? Let's learn how to log in using your iPhone. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to log into Facebook on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Enter your registered email or mobile number in the mobile number or email box. Next, tap on the password box and enter your Facebook password. Finally, tap on the login button located below the password box. And this is how you can log into Facebook on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.